Welcome to the BStore Seller App, your ultimate tool for managing your product listings with ease. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to upload products to your BStore store using the Seller app. Open the BStore Seller app on your smartphone and log in to your account. Navigate to the Products section of the app. To add a new product, tap on the Add Products button. Here, you'll be prompted to enter all the necessary details for your product, including title, description, price, quantity, and images. Fill in each field with accurate information about your product. Be sure to upload high-quality images that showcase your product from different angles. Once you've entered all the required information, tap on the Save or Publish button to add your product to your store. Your product is now live and available for purchase on your BStore store. With the BStore Seller app, managing your product listings has never been easier. Download the app today and start selling hassle-free.